Hi everybody, my name's Kennedy, and my neighbor Dawn just made me a new mask.
And you're going to show everybody how to wear it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's do it. Can you put that mask on and show everybody? Can you pull it up from your chest and show them that you have that nice string that's holding it for you, and then you can just slip it on, right? Yeah. So look at you, you're such a good model. And with the hand on the hip and everything. I'm so proud of you. So we have people from all over the world watching us, Kennedy. What do you think about that?
On my first day, I was a little bit nervous about this, but now I'm not at all.
Now you're better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because all the subscribers and likes helped me rise up because I was a little scared.
Oh, that's good. They're giving you confidence then. That's good. Thank you, Kennedy. You did such a great job. She always does such a great job, doesn't she? We love having her come over and visit and try on things with us. And I'm really excited. We've got some new things that we're going to be making. And she was helping me pick out fabrics for it. So that's a big secret, though. We'll talk more about that later. I wanted to share with you my recent inspiration to make an adjustment on children's face masks for back to school, and it's regarding my convertible cup mask. Recently, we made a modification with elastic, and I have had this inspiration to make a change and to do this with ear loop string made out of nylon lycra spandex. And here's the crescendo on this. It's not just ear loop string that we're doing. What we're doing is we're taking pony beads and string, and we're making a connection that's all in one. The connection for the mask and for a lanyard, and it makes the mask adjustable. Let me say that again. It's adjustable, so we don't have any sizing issues anymore. Child's running small for their age, big for their age. There's a growth spurt. The mask will be able to adjust to size, and I'm so excited about this. So just as Kennedy was modeling it for you, it's going up over the ear. I've got the pin in there for the ear. And then look at this. I took the two ties and I made it adjustable. And I'm so mad at myself that I didn't think of this originally, because the whole idea for the convertible cup mask and the Velcro was to make it adjustable. And when you put the elastic in, it is easier for the kids to put on, but it locks you into where you lose that variable of sizing. You can only go so much one way or the other. And this pattern is good for children ages 6 to 12. And so I need that adjustment. And that's why we did it out of Velcro to begin with. And I'm so excited because this is the best of both worlds. You have comfort. Watch this as I'm drawing up those beads on the drawstring, and voila, the mask just slips into place. It's comfortable. I asked Kennedy, she's like, yeah, it's great. She didn't even realize that she was wearing it. And with a quick adjustment in the back, I was able to fit it on her. And you can also go high with it if you wanted to. Wear it high like the traditional convertible cup mask is, to make it a little bit more secure, or up over the ears. You can go either way on it. If you do not want to put any weight or pressure on the ears, then you can just go high with it. And I put some beads on the bottom of the tails just to make it decorative, add a little bit of weight to it so that it would fall down. But I'm so excited to share this with you. And I'm mad at myself because I didn't think of it sooner, but it's a great solution for kids. And then it's a lanyard. You can just drop it and loosen it, and you don't have to worry about your kids losing their face mask at school. Yay! That's exactly the whole point of the lanyards and, the ear savers and all those things. Everything is eliminated. Ear savers, lanyards, the connection, it's all in one. You no longer have to make multiple things for one face mask, and that saves you time, money, and energy, and that's what this is all about. And I'm so excited to share this with you. I was just overjoyed when she put it on and it worked. And when I was sewing, I was thinking about it. I was like, was that elastic? Is that going to be enough? Is it going to give enough support? But look, it just pops right into place. And you saw as she was modeling, it just pops into place. And the great thing about this, if it stretches out a little bit, you could just tighten it in the back. Yay! All right, I'm out of here, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And I think Kennedy's got a few words for you. Okay, we're going to leave. So if you like this video, what are you supposed to do?
Give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Good job, Kennedy. All right, we're out of here. We'll see you next time. Thanks for helping me today. Bye.